Hi guys, I'm very excited to show you today the automatic trader from Metronix on IMBA exchange. It's a very simple tool, especially for new traders who don't know how to open a trade, how to trade in the market, or how also to use trading tools. And in the next few minutes, I will explain you how you can use the Metronix trading tool on IMBA exchange. And right now you can test it unlimited completely for free. So let's take a look. To use the Metronix automatic trader is really very simple. First, you have to start to deposit a certain amount of coins you want to trade. You will find here the wallets we support on IMBA exchange. I already have deposited here some IMBA token, Integron and some other coins. So the next step is we go to exchange, and here you can see in the exchange view you can make a normal buy order, buy 25% of the amount that you have deposited, or you can start an automatic trade. And if you want to start an automatic trade, you will start the Metronix tool. So to use this, you also need to take 25% of these bitcoins, and then I say automatic. Then you will see here you're only one step away to make a trading slot with, and then you can see here the bitcoin, the start, the end price, and also the step. You only have to press OK and wait a little bit. Then you see here it is processing, and you see also here we will open a trading slot like we recommended for Metronix. What does this mean? If you don't know how to open a trade or how to join into the market, the best way is when you use 2 or 3% over the actual price. And this is what you see here. Right now the start price from the actual price is 3% different. So this means you can check here the order. This is not updated right now. We have to wait a little bit. Okay, I think now it is done. No, it's not. Now it's done. So you have seen here we have bought the first 3 orders, and now you also have automatic open a sell order. So this is what Metronix do. Metronix is using swing trading, and you can join here the market, and every time first we open the buy order, then we open the sell order, and every time when the market goes up and down you will trade with Metronix automatic. But this is not only working for buy order, it's also work for sell order. Maybe you already have Metronix and you want to sell them, then it's also work in the same way. You can see here the amount of Metronix you have. You can also say here, okay, I want to spend 25% or 50% or whatever. So if you spend 25% of this amountage, then you also press here again automatic. You can see here the values, you can check this again, and you say okay. Then you see here it is processing and you have to wait a little bit. And also it's the same like for the buy order, the new orders are created. Again, you can see here now all these sell orders are created. And when we are going now into the Metronix, you see here for the sell bot, we take a look that the price is around 2 or 3% lower than the actual price. So you are in a very good range. So when the price go up, you will start to sell. When the price will go down, you will buy your first orders. Because also here you can see again we have sell the first orders, and here we open automatic the buy order again. If you want to close it, then you just have to close it here. So here is the action button, and you can see here, okay, I want to cancel, and then you can cancel this trading slot. That's it. Now you are also able to trade automatically. And if you have any questions, you will find below this video a link. Join us on Telegram group and we can talk more about this topic. Right now, Metronix is free on IMBA exchange, so you can test unlimited, and you can also test with one free trading slot on Binance.